Hey guys, just want to get you set up for engineering module 3 here. We're going to talk a lot about whether we should quarantine, whether or not social distancing matters, because there's a lot of people saying it does, it doesn't. They've been arguing about this. We're sitting here at home and we're wondering, is it even making a difference? So, as always, you click this link to start what you did. You're answering anything in red. Make sure you turn it in at the end. Real quick, I'm going to give you some definitions. You can go ahead and type these in, just listening to me if you need to hear from me to hear it. So population density is it describes how many people are packed into a certain area. So if you say it has a high density population, there's a ton of people in that area. So like in Mr. Chan's room, when there's 30 of us in there, we say, oh, that's population density. It's pretty dense. But if it was an empty classroom and it was just me and one other person talking, we say, oh, that's a low population density. Okay, so it's just how many people are packed into a certain area. Population mixing, the second term here, is how much people are hanging out and talking to each other. Like for me to go to the store, I might bump into 100 different people. That's population mixing. If I go to a Nuggets game, I bump into maybe 1,000 different people when I walk by people to get to my seats, to get to my hot dog, whatever. Okay, so if you have a lot of population mixing, you're bumping into a lot of people. Vaccine, a vaccine is just a cure for a disease. So if we get a shot, we basically makes us immune where we don't get affected by disease. Contagious, hopefully you've heard this word before, but that just means, hey, you are spreading the disease. You are contagious. Like you have a disease and you can spread it to people. Immune means are not affected by the disease. All right. And there's different ways to become immune, but it just basically means you're not affected anymore. Quarantine, by now you should know quarantine means we kind of just isolate ourselves and we don't population mix. And virgin field is going to come in on the simulator. A virgin field is a group of people that have never seen this disease. And so for COVID-19, we are a virgin field. We've never seen this disease before. Okay, so there you go. Those are the basic definitions, and you can go ahead and again click on these links, fill out the stuff in red. Anywhere in red you need to fill out. All right. I definitely am going to have one more video coming for this lesson, so check that one out.